how to get free stuff on Temu without inviting anyone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get free stuff on Temu without inviting anyone. So first thing, just head over to your Temu application and make sure you are logged into your account. You can now actually log in with your phone number, email or Google account as well. So as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So just tap on this U icon at the bottom of the screen as you can see here, and from over here all you have to do is just click on this coupons and offers, and here might be some coupon which might be available from the Temu team themselves. So you can try clicking on get and you can get the coupon bundle for free just like this, and you can try scratching it. If you don't get it, you may have to try it again. And another way you can get is just click on this messages sections over here and just click on this promotion option, and here the Temu team will be sending a lot of stuff like discount card or credit back just like this. So you can tap on any one of them, like clicking claim on, and you can use that particular gift card to buy the product and get a discount on that particular thing just like this for the stuff that you want to buy. As you can see, my activity has expired, so you may have to arrive in the right time to get it, to actually get it. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.